Okay, so we are in this lesson dividing by whole numbers and then dividing by decimals. So this is example 1 on page 5 of the lesson, and we are in lesson 1.03. Okay, so one thing you want to remember when you are dividing by decimals is that you are going to have to move the decimal point over of the divisor to make it a whole number. Okay, so the divisor is the number that is being divided into the dividend. Okay, so in this case, this is the dividend because it is the number being divided or split up. Your quotient will then be the answer. Okay, so this is the way they present the problem to you in the lesson. So we are going to just change the format. So we have 147.2 divided by 3.2. Okay, so I need to make the 3.2 a whole number. So I'm going to move the decimal place over 1. So it's going to become 32. And then I have to do the same thing here. So I moved it 1 place. So I'm going to move this decimal place 1. So this becomes 1,472. So now my decimal point is here after the 2. So then you're just going to divide like normal. 32 does not go into 14, so I have to look to see how many times does it go into 147, which it is 4 times. And 32 times 4 is 128. So then I'm just going to subtract like normal. 147 minus 128 is 19. I'm going to bring down this 2. So now I have to see how many times does 32 go into 192, which is 6. And 6 times 32 is 192, and when I subtract those I get 0. So your answer to this one is 46. Okay, so I hope this helps, and just remember however far you move the decimal point on your divisor, you do it the same amount of times on your dividend. Okay, and then your decimal point from your dividend just goes straight up. So this answer would be 46 with the decimal point at the end.